You see it in the magazines, on the dealership floor, maybe even in your dreams. The perfect Harley Davidson. Gleaming chrome, iconic rumble, machine built for the open road. But let me tell you a secret. The perfect Harley, right off the showroom floor, is nothing but a myth. Think about it. Harleys are designed to appeal to a massive audience, right? That means they have to compromise on certain things. Comfort for a wide range of riders, exhaust noise for regulations, performance that's approachable for everyone. So while they're fantastic starting points, they're rarely tailored for you. That's where the magic happens. We're going to dive into the top 5 upgrades that will transform your perfectly good Harley into perfectly your Harley. These aren't just cosmetic changes. These are upgrades that will enhance performance, comfort, and most importantly, your riding experience. Stage 1. This is your foundation. It typically involves a high-flow air intake, a less restrictive exhaust system, and a performance tune for your engine's electronic control module. The idea here is to let your engine breathe freely. More air in, more exhaust out. The tune then optimizes the fuel delivery to match this increased airflow. You notice a significant bump in horsepower and torque, and a crisper throttle response, and that deep, iconic Harley rumble you've been craving. Then, building on Stage 1, Stage 2 introduces a performance camshaft. Think of the camshaft as the brain of your engine's valve train. A performance cam changes the lift and duration of your valves, allowing even more air and fuel into the combustion chamber. This dramatically increases the power and torque curve, especially in the low to mid RPM range, making passing on the highway or accelerating out of a corner feel effortless. This is where your Harley truly wakes up and becomes a thrill to ride. The next upgrade we'll talk about is comfort. So let's first start with the seat. The stock seat is often a significant pain point, literally. It can be hard, unsupportive, and lead to discomfort on longer rides. Upgrading to a quality aftermarket seat tailored to your riding style and body can make a world of difference. Companies like Saddlemen, Mustang, or Lepera offer various designs with better padding, gel inserts, and ergonomic shapes that distribute weight more evenly, allowing you to ride for hours without aches and pains. Going along with the seat, another consideration should be your suspension. This is another critical area. Stock Harley suspension can be adequate for smooth roads, but hit any bumps or uneven pavement and you'll feel every single one. Upgrading your rear shocks and potentially your front fork internals can dramatically transform your ride. Aftermarket suspension provides better dampening, adjustability, and a smoother, more controlled ride. You'll feel more planted in corners, absorb bumps with ease, and experience less fatigue on those epic cross-country journeys. So now let's move on to upgrade number 3. This relates to safety and its LED lighting. First, we have an enhanced visibility for you. LED headlights throw a brighter, wider, and wider beam illuminating the road ahead much more effectively, especially at night or in adverse weather. You'll spot obstacles, signs, and road hazards much sooner. Going along with that is enhanced visibility of you. This is just as, if not more important. LED turn signals, brake lights, and running lights are significantly brighter and more noticeable to other drivers. Sequential turn signals, often available with LED kits, create a dynamic, eye-catching pattern that grabs attention. Being seen is critical for motorcycle safety, and modern LED lighting dramatically increases your presence on the road, day or night. Plus, they look fantastic and often last much longer than traditional bulbs. Now let's move on to upgrade number 4. This is all about technology. Let's first start off with Bluetooth connectivity and headsets. Many newer Harleys come with some level of Bluetooth, but to truly integrate your tech, you want a quality Bluetooth headset. These will allow you to listen to music, get GPS directions, make calls, and even communicate with other riders in your group, all while keeping your hands on the bars. Going along with that, look into wireless Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. If your Harley has a Boom GTS infotainment system, you can unlock a whole new level of convenience with your wireless Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. Devices like the AutoCast Mini allow your phone to connect wirelessly, bring your favorite navigation apps, music streaming, and communication tools directly to your bike's display. No more fumbling with cables, just hop on, and your world is instantly connected to your ride. It's a game changer for touring and daily commuting alike. And now we're on to upgrade number 5. This may be one of the most controversial, and that is the Kraus Easy Shift. For many riders, finding neutral can be an exercise in frustration. It's often elusive, especially when the engine is warm. The Kraus Easy Shift is designed to precisely address this. It features a slightly different geometry and a more robust design compared to the stock piece. The result? A smoother, more precise shift feel, and most importantly, a significantly easier time finding neutral, whether your bike is running or off. It's a small upgrade, but it makes a huge difference in the overall riding experience, reducing fumbling and adding to your confidence at every shift. So there you have it, the 5 upgrades that will truly transform your Harley Davidson. It's not about finding a mythical perfect bike on the showroom floor. It's about taking a fantastic foundation and building your perfect machine. These upgrades will make your Harley perform better, feel better, be safer, more connected, and ultimately be a more enjoyable ride that's truly tailored to you. So gang, I ask, what are your essential upgrades? Let me know in the comments below. I love hearing what you guys are doing to your bikes. If you found this video helpful and you liked it, give it a like. Subscribe to the HDVIBE channel for more content like this and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out. Until next time, ride safe and keep the shiny side up. And don't forget, go hit this video up in this corner to find out all about the Kraus Easy Shift and go up to the other corner to subscribe to the HDVIBE channel.